In this video, I'm going to address some do and don't and how to best use your power plate and answer some of the questions that some of you practitioner and user have asked into the community and social media. So first question is, how many times can I use my power plate per week or per day? There is like mixed message here. You can use your power plate every single day for stretch and for massage. I do also a few proprioceptive training on my power plate just to stimulate my reflexes every day. But this is no longer than, 4 or 5 minutes or 6 minutes. You can go all the way to 9 minutes, but you don't want to exert your body doing vibration every single day. It will be a little bit like going to the gym and doing leg press every single day, right? Hitting the same group muscle every single day with the same thing. So what do I do on my power plate every day? Well, I try to free my shoulder. I want to have a good posture. So I'm going to work with my strap, doing little stretch for my shoulder, right? You saw some of my video are addressing the shoulder or the neck area. So I love those exercises. I do also stretch for my hip, right? Because I want my hip to function properly so my glutes can work. So I do little hamstring stretch, maybe inner thigh stretch if you can do those, and then hip flexor stretch, right? The front of my hip. So I do those every day. Another exercise I do every day is that stimulation and communication between my brain, my central nervous system in my spine, and my muscle. What good it is for me to be able to leg press a large amount of weight at the gym if I cannot tap into the strength of that muscle when I need it the most, which is when I trip or when I want to prevent a fall. Can my muscle contract very quickly and efficiently? Yeah, that would be great, right? So to do that, I do balance exercise that stimulate that communication between the brain, central nervous system, and muscles. So, for example, I stand on my power plate, my knee bent, my ball of the foot activated, and I'm trying to do, movement with my head. I change the position of my feet, for example. If you like to stand on the plate, just change the position of your feet. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, which is exactly the way you move. So that would be a great way to stimulate your balance. And again, I can move my head or I can reach with my arm forward, over my head. I can do motion like if I'm picking up something. So I do things that my body will do every day without me thinking about it. And I train my body to be efficient on the power plate every single day. Another thing you can do every day is massage. Who does not enjoy a nice massage? When you massage, you're using the movement of the plate to do a little tapping technique at the surface of your skin, stimulating the blood flow, but also stimulating your lymphatic system. You can pull a chair, massage your feet sitting in a chair, or you can lay down on the floor and massage directly your calf or your hip. A lot of people ask me that. Can massage your hip, right? You can massage your lower back by leaning, bringing your legs up, or maybe using the support cushion that is over there to just lay down at the same surface of the power plate and be able to really target your lower back. So in conclusion, yes, you can use your power plate every day, but be smart about it. If you are going to stand like this for 9 minutes nonstop every single day, you will feel your calf tight and your lower back tight because here you're not using your body the way that we meant to be using it, which is with motion. So remember, if you are standing on the plate, just start moving a little bit. Your hip, maybe lift a little toes, stretching your calf here. Just be a little bit more active and mobile on the power plate so you're not stiffing and tightening up your muscle by staying immobile. Remember, we are meant for motion and motion is lotion. So use your power plate for that. Now, every other day, you can also use your power plate for a full program. So in this case, you have many options. You can access the free power plate app, do some of those exercises that are listed there. You can skip an exercise that doesn't fit you. You know your body, you are in charge. You can also access some of the full program on the YouTube channel from PowerPlate. There is a program for bone health, a program for weight management that are 6 week, 3 sessions per week. So we want you to be able to rest between sessions, because during those sessions, you're doing a warm up, you're doing an activation, and you're doing a recovery. So it has those 3 elements. I hope this is helping you, and please leave me comment if you want me to address a specific issue regarding your power plate or regarding the usage of your power plate, and I'll be happy to do a tutorial video to explain.